You actually want to make money in the forex market, you need money. Now, I'm going to be teaching you how to actually make money with money in forex market. Now, a lot of forex traders won't tell you this, but this is actually one of our biggest secrets in making massive profit in forex market, especially for those of us that have actually start managing people's account. This is the reason why we make profit and you don't. Now, I will tell you for a fact. Well, I just started managing people's account, and if you want me to manage your account, flip your account into any massive profit, well, go to my bio or my description or my comment section. Click the link on my comment section or my description. Join my free Telegram channel and message me. I'm gonna be flipping your small equity as low as $100 into massive profit just like this. Now as you can see, we are using $800 to make about $2,000. Now, this is actually the secret I want to tell you that most forex traders don't tell you. In as much as all the informations I need or all the informations I have in forex market, probably I know how to flip market into larger equity, or I know how to know market movement and market positions. I know how to read candlesticks. In as much as I know all these things, you need to actually know one thing in forex market, a secret that none of the forex market tell you. Now, in order to actually flip a small equity into massive profit, you need actually confidence, and you need discipline, and you need calm. You need to be patient, and you cannot be patient enough if you don't have millions of dollars or millions of nairas in your account. Now, this is strictly for people that want to make massive profit, that feel like flipping a small equity is actually easy. Now, the reason why I always tell you guys to bring your account for me to manage is because I have enough, and I will not be scared of probably placing a trade that will make you over $50,000 with your equity. But you will be scared of doing it because you don't have any money in your account. One thing about forex trading is you need money to be confident. I might actually leave this particular trade till it gets to $1,000, or till it gets to $10,000, but you can't. Now, let me tell you why you can't. Because this might probably be your last card, or probably you are hoping if this money blows, you don't have any way to start with and all that. Now, you definitely close this trade with just this $2,000, but me that have so much money in my account, I will definitely leave this trade to $10,000. This is why you need account management. Now, if you're actually interested with what I just told you, well, go to my description or my bio or my comment section. You'll see my link, my Telegram link. It's for free to join my Telegram link. Join my free Telegram link and message me. Now, you can actually ask me any questions you want to ask me. It doesn't matter. I'm going to be answering you all your questions, all your information you want to require, or you want to know more about account management, how it works. Well, ask me the questions. I'm going to explain to you break by break on layman understanding how account management works. And I'm going to give you advice. Don't try to flip $100 into $2,000, and that is actually your last card, because it won't work. You will always panic. You always want to place, even if you confirm a very nice entrance, you always want to place with smaller equity, because that's your last card. You don't want to lose your last card. And if the market started moving your way after you place the trade and you're making about $1,000 in profit with $100, and you couldn't get to, probably you are earning $5,000, and your market started reversing, because market can actually stay going in one particular direction for a while. Market always retraced, retrace, go to area of interest, tap on the last breakouts, return back to the particular place is going. Market always retraced. So if you start having a little bit retracement in the market, probably you feel like, oh, this market trying to reverse, you definitely close. And you closing, you'll not be able to actually hit your target. But for me, I'm gonna hold the trade, because I know I'm not gonna lose this money. I've already been through so many of that particular moment in the forex market, so I'm confident that the market is actually gonna be going my way till it hits 5,000. But you'll not risk it because, of course, this is actually your last career reason to trade, and you're not confident enough because they said more money gets more money, and if you don't have any money, you're scared of taking risk. So this is actually one of the biggest secret. I know you've not had on this particular topic in any forex trader's mouth, but this is actually one of the secret you need to actually know to become a profitable trader. You need more money in your bank account to be able to start making massive profit in the forex market. Now you can actually like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video to as many as you can if this video is actually very interesting and educative to you. Now share this video to many people so that they can be able to see it, not for me, not for yourself, but at least help other people that is actually struggling just like us, just like you in the forex market, so that they can be able to see this particular video and like, share also just like you did, you know. So have a nice day. See you guys in my next upper video. If you've not really subscribed to my YouTube channel or to any of my social media and you're not following me, you're gonna be missing all my information because I want to be giving you guys every information in forex market back to back. So what are you waiting for? Stay tuned, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification button, and don't forget to like, share this video to as many as you can. Have a nice day. Thank you.